morning, a lot of local people just do the exercise here. But now usually more, a lot of people here. And for important ceremony, important festival day, people also they gather together here, celebrate together. So you can see that is a drum tower. And behind of me, that's a bell tower. So they are in the meridian line. Tiananmen Square, Forbidden City, Holy, Drum Tower, Bell Tower. So this same line. Yeah, the same line. This is the same line. It's original meridian line during the Ming and Qing dynasty. So the bell tower is the end of the meridian line during the Ming and Qing dynasty. So this line, if you extend this line to south, and the end of this line is South Pole, Antarctic. And if you extend this line to the north line, North Pole, and Arctic. Okay, so actually it is the longitude of the world. Yeah, and this line built in 1420.
1420.
Yeah, 1420, about 600 years ago.
Oh my god.
ड्रम टावरमा ड्रम बजाइसकेपछि यहाँको हरेक कुरो बन्द गर्नु परेर खोल्नु पर्ने रहेछ भने यो बेल टावर पनि त्यही आधारमा रहेछ यो ड्रम टावर यो बेल टावर यो चाहिँ त्यो फरबिडन सिटी योसँग सिधा छ अरे
यो चाहिँ बेल टावर भन्छ यसलाई होइन बेजिङको यो बेल टावर यो चाहिँ ड्रम टावर भन्ने ठाउँ छ है
Three runs, usually with 2 beams, 4 beams, or no beams. So if there's no beams, so it means this family for the common family, for the regular people, or for poor people. Yeah, in ancient times. Yeah. And if it has 2 beams, that means for middle class. And if it has 4 beams, that means for high ranking officials, or for the royal family members' family. Yeah. So beams is very important. So 2 beams, no beams, and 4 beams. So in the Forbidden City, each one with 4 beams. But each gate with each time when we pass through the gate, there are 3 gates together, 12. So each gate with 4 beams, altogether 12. So that's the highest ranking in the Forbidden City. And then for the royal family members' palace, for the royal palace, they always have 4 beams. Yeah. And then in front of the gate, downside, you can see there are 2 stones, for decoration. Sometimes the stone in round shape, sometimes the stone in square shape. The round shape, it looks like a drum. So it means this building for the military officials. Yeah, because in ancient time, when you send the troops for fighting, they strike the drum to boost the mortar of the soldiers. Yeah. And if the stone is a square shape, that means for civil officers. It looks like a book. Yeah, for civil officers. Okay, let's keep moving.
त्यो दुईटा ड्रम भयो हैन त्यो ड्रम चाहिँ आर्मी सुन्नु चाहिँ टिकटकर यो जुन गरेको चाहिँ यो सबै यो के अरे हाई र्याङ्किङ लो र्याङ्किङ यहाँ ड्रम भएको कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ त्यसको आधारमा चाहिँ छुट्याउनु रहेछ राजा रजौटाको पालामा भएको यो सबै यो आर्मी क्वार्टरहरू के यिनीहरू चाहिँ त्यही भनेर भन्दैछ
यो सबै हो
यिनीहरू चाहिँ यो अहिले जुन क्वार्टर गर्दै गर्दा चाहिँ त्यो टाइमको हाम्रो रिक्सा पनि पछाडि आउँदैछ गाडी पनि त्यता आउँदैछ तपाईँको यस्तो हुन्छ क्या यो चाहिँ फेरि लभ है फेरि लभ एकदम प्रेमले प्रेम प्रेम
लभ एन्ड केयर होइन यो?
एकदम
कुनामा लिएर आयो
हजुर
कहाँ लिएर आयो
यो चाहिँ हाम्रो हुतोङ हुतङ
हतङ
हुतङ
village.
कुन्तङ भने जस्तो हुतङ
हो त
हुतङ भिलेज यो चाहिँ पुरानो यहाँको चाहिँ
पुरानो
हेरिटेज यो चाहिँ गाडी पनि आयो तपाईँको गाडीले पछाडि
आए साथीहरू छिटो
यता यता यता
छिटो फाइटी
अँ